1, fight!
Always stick with rock.
But I wanted to lose that time.
Okay. Intro extraordinaire.
All right, here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Hi everybody, welcome back to another JRP install day with the legendary MBRP in the house. We're fired up today, dude. The caffeine hit really hard this morning.
Yeah, thanks for the extra coffee this morning.
Anytime.
I really appreciate that.
So today, we got this beauty of an RS3 here. And we're putting this amazing valved MBRP catback on it. Jared's here to tell you a little bit more about it.
Yeah.
So what we got here, bro?
Well, RS3 catback kit. This has been a long time coming. I mean, we have worked tirelessly to get these oval tips just right because we know how important that is for you Audi guys. And today we're here to deliver an active kit with those oval tips.
It's gonna sound amazing. You guys can listen to what this sounded like before this kit.
It's okay. Pretty good for an RS3, I'd say.
Yeah, not bad at
I
all.
think you'll be pretty impressed with this. Let's just tear into it and start the install.
All right, let's go. So as usual, you get that beautiful MBRP packaging. They're gonna make sure this comes to your home or garage mint fresh, minty mint. Here we go. First piece. Is this the 304 stainless?
304 stainless, absolutely. So
God dang. Let's keep going.
the active system I was talking about too. So obviously, 3-inch tubing, you're going to notice the whole kit. Your factory actuator is actually going to bolt right to this, so it works in your dynamic mode and everything. So it easily utilizes the MBRP valve, so very plug and play.
And the beauty about MBRP, friends, they always provide all the hardware to put everything on. They got all the clamps and everything you need. So stay tuned, there's more coming.
So we got our high flow muffler. So we got the system out.
Awesome.
Obviously laid out here, all 304 stainless is really something that we kind of utilize throughout the Euro platforms as well. But the really nice thing I want to point out with this kit specifically, obviously you're 2-into-1, you do 3-inch tubing. The Helmholtz something is that you've seen very common over a lot of our installs, really giving you that hallmark MBRP sound without that drone.
That's beauty, man. Check out that laser etched logo, friends. Next up, we got our muffler.
High flow muffler. Does it brap?
I'm pretty sure this goes. Next up,
Black chrome tips, oval for the Audi RS guys, because I know this is extremely important to them.
Yep.
But if you get up and close to it, black chrome, which looks killer, nice laser etched MBRP on top. But if you kind of go inside, you'll notice it's actually perforated as well, dual walls. So we really kind of checked all the boxes with this too. So when it's on the back of your car, it's gonna look really good. So I don't know about you guys, but I really want to get this on the car and hear what it sounds like.
Pitter patter, let's get at it. We have Richie here. He is our
hacker man. He's the most powerful hacker of all time.
Don't you wanna have fun? Fooling with someone? Don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future like it burns. So give him something worse to kill his head with, make him forget somehow. Might be that another day she would have wished he stayed, but they're done. Sorry's won't be enough this time. Yeah, he's calling all his friends to get some action and distract him right now. He's fine, got Lucy on the line, let's get this started. Where's the party tonight? I feel good, nothing weighs me down. I can't believe my luck right now. Red eyes while he said, don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart, it needs a little kickstart. 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Don't you wanna have some fun?
So we are here, and again, 10 out of 10. This was a great install.
And we've done a number of installs You know, always kind of goes smoothly as well. Starting from the design process, I think I really want to point out, you know, as we installed the kit, obviously the clearances are really important for us, and there's so many more tight tolerances here versus say like, you know, our diesel truck or gas truck systems. So we really have to make sure that, you know, we're mindful of the drive shaft clearances.
And you guys accomplished that because you laser scanned the whole thing before you even developed.
Correct. Yeah. So we use your factory mounting locations and everything. And even when we go to our 3-inch tubing, you'll notice that we got to still fight those tight tolerances around the rear sway bar as well. So starting kind of where the MBRP system picks it up right here, obviously, into our 304 stainless, you know, mindful again of your drive shaft clearance and the cross member. This one's key. I know with a lot of the sound goals we try and reach that, you know, we want to have a great sound, but also cruise down the highway, talk on your Bluetooth, and not have any, you know, crazy drone in the vehicle. So that's where our Helmholtz technology comes in. So that's what this canister is here. It really gets rid of that drone, but gives you that great MBRP sound.
Excellent. Moving all the way back here, we got the Y split to the muffler and to the valve.
Correct. Yeah, so utilizes your factory actuator as well. So that goes on the laser cut plate here with the MBRP valve. So throughout your different modes in the car, it's going to work just like factory, obviously with a much better sound.
Right. And then all the way over here is the muffler and out to our beautiful black chrome tips.
So it really kind of fills out the rear end a lot nicer too. And as you can see with the perforations inside, dual wall, really looks sharp. But yeah, even just pointing out a few other features as we kind of look at the car or the exhaust underneath the car here. I mean, little details like a nice laser cut bracketry, band clamps for a secure fit, so easy adjusting to really get that perfect fit. And again, exiting into the black chrome tips that really complete that look and give you that signature RS look.
Well, I'm real excited to hear what it sounds like. So let's get this thing down and fire her up. Wow, that MBRP catback sounds amazing. But it's not enough to hear this thing indoors. Time to take this thing down to Mexico so we can test it out on the streets. Alright, so we're starting it off. We're gonna pull out here. We're gonna give it a decent pull up to 60 to see how it sounds like in the comfort mode. Alright, we're pulling out. I'm gonna step on her a bit. Very nice. You can definitely hear it, but not obnoxious at all. Very chill. If you have a child in the car, child could still be sleeping, no big deal. So right now we're cruising at about 1500 RPM. It's completely stock sounding in comfort mode. It doesn't sound any different. It's actually a really nice system, to be honest, especially with the dynamic range of options it gives you for sound. Because now that we're just hanging out, it's very nice and mellow. Just gonna put it into dynamic, see what happens here. Oh wow, the whole thing just changed on me. Look, I'm like, it's downshifting and it's popping, dude. I put in dynamic now.
That sounds sick.
All right, so now we're in dynamic mode, just cruising, and we're about 2,500 RPM, and you can definitely hear this exhaust. It sounds pretty nice and refined, and with that Helmholtz system, there's no drone whatsoever, and it sounds really nice. Once we get onto a bit of a side street, we're gonna step on it so you guys can hear what it sounds like in the car. And yeah, it definitely comes alive. You definitely hear that you have a nice performance system on the car. Shout out to all the boys and girls at MBRP who made this happen, because you guys do amazing work. The system sounds great. So I'm gonna get on it a little bit right now so we can hear it. It sounds pretty great, like, you know, not too crazy, but just enough. We're gonna roll the windows down, see if you hear it better.
Oh, this pulls really well though.
So all things considered, friends, if you're looking for a wonderful exhaust for your Audi RS3, the MBRP is the top choice here, I'd say, for just ease of install, amazing sound quality, and just, you know, lifetime warranty. Like, checks all the boxes for me. So we'll catch you guys in the next episode of our GRP installs, and hopefully Jared comes back again with another sweet toy for us. Take it easy, friends. Amazing. That will never get old.